The art of mindfulness meditation, cultivating presence in a distracted world. Finding inner peace can feel like an impossible task in a world that is constantly pulling our attention in every direction. Enter mindfulness meditation, which empowers us to reconnect with the present moment and live with greater clarity and intention. Rooted in ancient traditions and backed by modern science, mindfulness meditation has become a cornerstone of mental well-being for millions around the globe. What is mindfulness meditation? At its core, mindfulness meditation focuses on the present moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they arise, acknowledging them, and letting them go without attaching to them. Unlike other forms of meditation, mindfulness doesn't require chanting mantras or focusing on a single point. Instead, it invites you to fully experience the now, whether it's your breath, the sounds around you, or the feeling of your body in space. Benefits of mindfulness meditation. 1. Reduces stress. 2. Mindfulness meditation is scientifically proven to lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. 3. By staying present, you can interrupt the cycle of overthinking and find calm. 4. Improves focus. 5. Regular practice enhances your concentration, making it easier to tackle daily tasks without feeling overwhelmed. 6. Enhances emotional well-being. 7. Mindfulness helps you process emotions more effectively, fostering a sense of inner balance and resilience. 8. Boosts physical health. 9. Studies show mindfulness improves sleep quality, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens the immune system. 10. Fosters compassion. 11. Being mindful encourages empathy and understanding, enhancing your relationships with others. How to practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is simple and accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a location where you won't be disturbed. It could be a quiet room, a park, or even your car. 1. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down in a position that feels natural. You only need to sit cross-legged if it's comfortable for you. 1. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, or the feeling of your abdomen expanding and contracting. 1. Acknowledge distractions. It's normal for your mind to wander. When it does, gently acknowledge the thought and return your focus to your breath. 1. Practice gratitude. At the end of your session, take a moment to express gratitude for the time you spent reconnecting with yourself. Final thoughts. Mindfulness meditation is more than just a technique. It's a way of living. By committing to this practice, you can transform how you experience the world, finding joy in the present moment and navigating life's challenges more easily.